Ida e balebe san. Anyo adabedu. Ishi agbebeko. Iwe na ye bebo. Ida e. Esa oye. Oye. Uromi oye. Oye. Uromi no lika. Uromi no kaka. Uromi ne wolo ne gwade mo. Uromi oye. Oye. Ida e the National Association of Uromi Sons and Daughters, popularly known as NASDA. Eda Louis. The 7th Biennial Convention Osoto Baltimore that has in Maryland. Bamenoika, aka America Mukwere, Urobi Oye, Oye. This convention will be happening on the 7th to 9th of August 2026. And the theme of this program is improving primary healthcare centers in Uromi land. Phase 2, asibito nikere neribidu keke oegwane moi nada miebo kuromi kimeji ada to feke don ni don okumu do ahi mepe kere vedani upe fano bera National Association of Uromi Sons and Daughters eka luoni conventional igone koko woni convention ni eyi don regwen na Uromi improving primary healthcare center in Uromi phase 1 ebe ro elu edaro lui healthcare ipo ene elu obedu edalui egbele healthcare edalui evoyi healthcare edalui efado healthcare eva womo ni healthcare edamuni solabo bi aseninya upraye wewe ni NASDA oye onu pe na kigboye yin na 2026 is phase 2 okida golo nya healthcare no kigbo kere ne dawo na kere okida golo ya go seninya ekigbo hano keke e agbo mo ekigbo muni solabo ijerwe ke afin wagwa oh NASDA nye NASDA do Uromi Sons and Daughters nationwide eji vaire aye my gwanwe on the conventional edeni ramude on the conventional ebare moro mi o atabe ni edeni ewo kuromi eji vaire aye nationwide va on the conventional my gwanova be ni edeni va na ko zilolo na ko kuobo pe na re moro mi Uromi osemano oyose ejo ni conventional that asunu bi Baltimore or the Western Baltimore Washington Airport, BWI 1110 Old Anchorage Landing Road, Lincoln Heights, MD 21090, Baltimore, Maryland. Special guest of honor, Sir Greg Enaholo, President, National Association of Uromi Sons and Daughters, USA. Dr. Lord Esene, Vice President. Prince Boniface Onakino, Post President, Maryland Chapter. Silver S.A. Okegwale, Local CPC Planning Chairman. Princess Omonigo Olume Soroide, Secretary General. Mr. Eddie Apiku, Assistant Secretary General. Prince Albert Okokoni, Treasurer. Mrs. Nora Sadianos, Organizing Secretary. Reverend Ehi Obu, Chaplain. Ida Ebi Nazaro Bolu Uromi, Oyeme.